Hey everyone. In this course, I'll guide you step by step to understand exactly what Bitcoin is, but above all, the fundamental mechanisms that make it unique. Mechanisms that force you to take full responsibility for its custody. We'll explore practical strategies together to hold it in total security. Strategies you can adapt and evolve over time. We'll dive into reliable services like exchanges and brokers, and the essential tools to manage security and privacy on your own when holding your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an extraordinary invention, and that's precisely why it challenges us with a new paradigm. It's no longer the old world of banks where you delegate everything to third parties. Here, ownership and management of your wealth become self-sovereign. You can spend the smallest units of value, the famous Satoshis, without censorship, without seizure risks, in complete independence. Through this course's lessons, you'll learn to handle on-chain Bitcoin, the classic kind, still the most common and widely used form, but also off-chain via Lightning Network and Liquid. Faster, simpler, cheaper, and equally secure solutions. Perfect for stacking small amounts or paying for everyday goods and services. We'll get hands-on, how to buy, transfer, hold, and sell Bitcoin across all these methods. The course is designed to be simple and accessible. I'll use clear language with straightforward steps. So, no matter your technical level or starting point, you can truly own and manage your Bitcoin with ease. But don't expect it to be trivial. We'll start with concepts that might feel complex at first, like the differences between hot wallets, cold wallets, and hardware wallets. You'll need to test yourself with practical exercises, installing software, making real transactions, creating backups. Because Bitcoin demands a mindset shift, don't trust, verify. It's a world with different rules, granting you new rights and powers. At first, some steps might confuse you or feel weird. That's normal, it's a young paradigm for pioneers. I invite you to write your questions and comments. I'll use your feedback to clarify specific doubts, add bonus lessons, and evolve the course over time. Come back often. With your input, you'll stay current on self-custody. The autonomous and independent holding of your Bitcoin, whether you're a beginner or already a holder. Don't just watch, take action. Binge watching the whole course risks overwhelming you with abstract ideas. Instead, in every lesson, facing a wallet setup or transaction, actually try it. If you do, you'll advance confidently, mastering Bitcoin self-custody best practices. But what are these best practices? They're not personal opinions. They're battle-tested protocols refined by hundreds of thousands of users, proven against attacks, human errors, and systemic failures. Following them doesn't require cryptographic genius, just discipline and understanding the why behind each step. The goal? Make custody simple, secure, and scalable, from newbie to advanced holder. We'll cover key topics: transfers from exchanges, brokers to hot wallets, hot versus cold differences, hardware wallet management, and when to choose one over the other. In Bitcoin, trust is taboo, but for advanced levels, rely on best practices proven by hundreds of thousands. No need to reinvent, experiment, get familiar, follow the established rules. Understanding the why makes everything simple and secure. You'll know when a hot wallet works, when hardware is needed, or when it's non-negotiable. We'll distinguish reliable tools from uncertain ones. It's an ongoing journey because Bitcoin evolves, but here you'll get everything essential for bulletproof custody. Ready? Let's dive into the first lesson. I'll leave it right here for you. Disclaimer and transparency. The script is original and handwritten by me. The digital avatar is my personal creation. My content is not financial advice nor investment solicitation. Study and always do your own research before investing.